What's up, guys? Beeler here again, here to do the daily stock watch list review for 422. We didn't do a stream. Some Wednesdays we don't do streams. It really depends on how many students I'm helping privately in the morning. But some Wednesdays we just don't do streams. Sorry that I have. It's kind of hard to notify everyone too because I have so many different sources of where people come from. But just to let everyone know for the future that some Wednesdays won't be streams, pre-market streams that is. But I'll still be posting charts and levels within the chats for all the members. So the paying members and all that, they still get all their stuff. So let's start with, we did, for today I posted at different times. I posted BA at 8:46, Square Beyond, and then later on I posted SPY and Microsoft, and then even later on I posted NVIDIA, Tesla, and then my friend Dylan also posted about NVIDIA. So I'm just go over the ones that I posted. Let's start with BA. Let's clear everything. So here on BA, I did above 140.85, below 139. 139. And the only notes I dropped down there was watch BA for a possible drop because I saw, oh, whoops, I didn't even mark my line. The line that I had drawn was from here. It's from here. It went to that bounce. It was a line going there from the 5-minute chart. It's on the chart I posted in chat too. I also posted about the volume. Let me turn that back on, because I was doing something. But the volume here on the 5-minute was going down. Well, it was kind of just doing its thing. So they had a little bit of divergence there, and that's when I posted to watch for. Actually, it was on this rise. I was saying watch for the divergence on that, and then it dropped under the 139. That's why I drew that. It was a pre-market level, but it happened to be right here under where these stopped at on the 5-minute. So I just wanted to note that. Good entry would have been as it exited here, rejected, or here. This would have been the better one directional entry, but either way, you would have been in the trade. So good one on that. I said for possible drop, and it dropped, so I'm excited on that one. Square, then we got the opposite story. I said above 59.50, below 58.50. It broke 59.50. Even kind of used our break below as a support, half A. Not all the way. And then I think I drew this as a good little marking point, because this was a good support and resistance in pre-market. And it ran through both. Good entry would have been on this candle. I'm on the 5-minute too, so I'm choosing way more safe entries. That's 20 cents above the entry, but on the 1-minute, if you were wanting to get in aggressively, you could have just got in on the retest here on the 1-minute. But you want to get some momentum on the market when you do that. But Square had, was it earnings, I think? Or no, I'm thinking of someone else, Snapchat. Thinking of the whole Facebook run today, too. But here, we have Beyond, I said above 89, below 86.60. Kind of had both. Oh, wait, 1 minute. Let's go to the 5-minute. Just for cleaner. Kind of had a fake out on both sides. That would have been a small L. You would have gotten out of that. As it went back, broke above. If you did enter puts here, right here, like we normally would say, and you didn't get out here at all, no biggie. Losses happen. Learn from them. That was even a flag, too. That's a really big fake out. I even probably would have been faked out and lost on that one. I didn't personally trade Beyond today. I was playing with SPY and a few other things. That's crazy though. Call wise, if you didn't enter this after not wanting to play that or because of the choppiness, I don't blame you. But if you did enter calls as it rebroke above the break below, you had a bigger chance of winning. You had this little bull flag approach. You had your bull flag come right after it did the flagpole. You got your flagpole, you got your flag, and it kept running. That's really good confirmation that it was a strong run. And then I posted SPY and Microsoft around 9:15. On the 5-minute, I said volume lowering as price slowly moves in between those two zones. Use these two zones to play your break levels. I was saying if it did go above this to play your calls, if it went below this to play your puts. I was saying if in these ranges, this would be aggressive for calls, this would be aggressive for puts. passive for puts, passive for calls. So I gave people kind of two ranges there for people to follow. So however they wanted to follow that, they could have. SPY, very good move. Then we have Microsoft and I think Nvidia and Tesla. Yeah. So Microsoft, pretty one directional from our lines here. This is our break below. This was my setting point. Oh no, this was my break above. I guess I just set this at the end of the day. This was my break above, so that was a really good entry. Right here in the retest, you would have had a one directional play the rest of the day. I also said watch ADD and VIX in case we had any kind of spikes on them. Next one is Nvidia. I said break above 283.85 or below 281. That was clean. It literally just followed my levels, stuck in between them, and then decided to go. That's probably the one I posted. Yeah, I posted at 10:39. So I posted that right here. Right before this candle started, I posted these levels. I think all I did was just choose the high and low. Oh, wait, no, even better. I'm sorry, I'm mistaken. I chose yesterday's pre-market levels. I didn't even change anything. It did the exact same thing, except the opposite direction. I don't think that's happened except maybe one other time, so that was kind of cool. Sometimes it just lines up like that. Here on Tesla, we had a huge squeeze. Caught support on our break below, went above our break above, very strong. Good entry would have been on top of this candle or bottom of this candle. Hold tight through the fall. Pick up in today, you would have had a pretty good sell here on Tesla. That's on the 5 minute. I'm not choosing all the choppiness. Here on the 1 minute, that would have... There's a good line right there. That would have been a good break below. If you got into a call on the top of this candle or bottom of this one, this would have been good confirmation to see where you are. If it ever dipped below back and got towards here, maybe think about exiting once it got down to this line. But it never really got down below that, so you would have stayed confident in that trade as it ran up the rest of the day. Here on Tesla. And yeah, sorry for no live stream again. I'll definitely be having one tomorrow. But make sure to like the video, comment, subscribe. Thank you guys.